boys and girls, it's Miss Missy with Lone Star College Sci-Fair and Harris County Public Library, and I am back with another preschool story time. And today we're going to cook up a good story time for you, and we are going to talk about all kinds of different foods. Okay, so we're going to have a fun story, and we are also going to be doing different things. We're going to have our bowl with our spoon with our different colors in it. We are going to be we're going to also be using sticks today, or paper towel tubes. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as nice as we can. Hello, boys and girls. I am so glad that you're back with me for another preschool story time. And today's story time is all about food and cooking and other little things. Okay, so here's our story. Are you ready for it? Okay. Let's listen. Cafe Cosmos by Janine Scott and illustrated by Hannah Wood. Special thanks to Windmill Books. The Cosmic Cafe in the wide Milky Way was the first dairy diner in space. It had comet-shaped chairs, bright stars on the stairs, and satellites all around the place. Mars Mozzarella, a cheese-loving fellow, owned the Cosmic Cafe. He grilled cheese for brunch, baked cheese for lunch, and then helped to serve cheese all day. The cafe's best waiter was Whiz with the grater. He came from the planet named Brie. Together they knew every cheese dish and stew, and their cheese sauce was lovely to see. Then one afternoon, the man in the moon came to the cafe to eat. "The moon's made of cheese, so I don't want that, please. I'm looking for something quite sweet." The waiter went red. Steam shot from his head, for cheese was his favorite food. And Mars Mozzarella, that cheese-loving fellow, thought that the Moon Man was quite rude. "I'll show him," he thought. "I'll soon change his mind." And he rushed to the kitchen to cook. He started to stir, to dice, slice, and whir, and the waiter all stopped by to look. His sweet cake creation soon caused a sensation, the loveliest thing he had baked. It was smooth, round, and white, a cosmic delight, like a moon in the shape of a cake. Soon Mars Mozzarella, that cheese-loving fellow, was famous, a Milky Way star. They all knew his name, and everyone came by spaceship, space bus, and space car. Now Mars Mozzarella, that cheese-loving fellow, has cafes all over the sky. His favorite, they say, is the Cosmic Cafe, but no one has ever guessed why. Still, each afternoon, the man in the moon comes in for his favorite treat. The cafe's best waiter hides his cheese grater and brings moon cake to his seat. But Mars Mozzarella has fooled that moon fellow. His special moon cake is a fake. And one day quite soon, when there's a blue moon, he will tell them that his treat is cheesecake. The end. Okay, I hope you liked that story. So let's go ahead and do some cooking, shall we? Now, are we going to bring out some food? No, but we can use our imaginations, okay? So everybody, if you happen to have a bowl, a spoon, or a spatula, and if you have different colored things that you can stick inside your bowl, we're going to make some stew. And so we're going to start with some pink stew. Can you think of anything that's pink? that maybe we could cook or could turn pink, right? Maybe some strawberries with some yogurt. There's lots of little things that can make things turn pink, right? We could just always add food coloring to something, right? Okay, let's make up some pink stew, shall we? I'm making a pink stew. Whip, 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 whip. I'm making a pink stew. Whip, 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 whip. With pink potatoes and pink tomatoes and even a pink you. What other things could we put into our stew? You think, what color? So we had pink. What else could we put in there? Did you say yellow? How about yellow? Let's try a yellow stew. Let's put it in our bowl. And I've got my spoon ready. All right, let's add in a little Scooby-Dooby-Doo in there, okay, this time. I'm making a yellow stew. Whip, 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 whip. I'm making a yellow stew. Scooby-Dooby-Doo with yellow potatoes and yellow tomatoes and even a yellow you. Oh, wow. Okay. Can anybody think of something that rhymes with stew? What color rhymes with stew? Stew. Blue stew? Blue? Yeah. All right, let's keep with that Scooby-Dooby-Doo in there, okay? Ready? What's blue? Blueberries. Blue. Oh, there's not a lot of blue things, is there? Okay, here we go. I'm making a blue stew. Whip, 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 whip. I'm making a blue stew. Scooby-Dooby-Doo with blue potatoes and blue tomatoes and even a blue you. Yeah. All right, boys and girls. That was some good stew we made. We had a pink stew and a yellow stew and even a blue stew. That is some fun stew that we can make up there. Can you imagine what kind of stew we'd make if we added all of our colors? Look at this. We're making a rainbow stew. Look at that rainbow stew. All right. So now let's go ahead and think about the things that we need to cook our foods. So we made some stew. We had a bowl and we need a spatula. Well, I happen to have a song for us to do, and it's called Knife, Fork, Spoon, Spatula, Cha-cha-cha. So here we go, boys and girls. I'm going to need you to help out. All right. So I'm going to show you the movements and then you are going to do it with me. So it goes, I'm a knife, and you're going to put your arms all the way up like this, knife. We're going to go, I'm a fork. I'm a spoon. Make a spoon shape. Spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. I'm a knife, fork, spoon. I'm a knife, fork, spoon. I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula. Cha-cha-cha. All right. And so every time we do it, we can do it a little bit faster. So we're going to see if you can do it a little bit faster. Are you ready? Everybody stand up tall, sit up tall, however you are. Ready? I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula, cha-cha-cha. I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula, cha-cha-cha. I'm a knife, fork, spoon. I'm a knife, fork, spoon. I'm a knife, fork, spoon, spatula, cha-cha-cha. Did you guys do it? Yeah? Okay, well, I dare you to keep trying it faster and faster and faster, okay? All right, now let's go ahead and move on to another song. And this one is about food, and it happens to be one of my favorite kinds of foods. Who else likes tacos? Did you say you like tacos? I love tacos. Ready? I love tacos. I love tacos. I love tacos. Yes, I do. Guacamole on my nose. Guacamole on my nose. On my nose. On my nose. Oh, I love tacos. I love tacos. I love tacos. Yes, I do. Guacamole on my shirt. Guacamole on my shirt. On my shirt. On my shirt. Oh, I love tacos. I love tacos. I love tacos. Yes, I do. Where else could our guacamole accidentally land? Or where could we get it? Did you say your ear? Okay, we could maybe get some guacamole on our ear. Guacamole on my ear, guacamole on my ear, on my ear, on my ear. Oh, I love tacos, I love tacos, I love tacos, yes I do. All right, boys and girls, so we have had stew, tacos. What's something else that we could have? My son would be so upset if I didn't say pizza. So let's make some pizza. All right, you need those sticks to make your pizza. Okay, boys and girls, so I've got my table ready so that way you can see better what we're going to be doing with our sticks. So if you happen to have 2 paper towel tubes, or if you've got toilet paper tubes, if you actually have 2 sticks that you can bang together, whatever you use, chopsticks, it doesn't matter. So here we go. I'm going to use some recyclable paper towel tubes. All right, we're going to make some pizza, shall we? All right. First thing that we need is to make some dough. Ready? Let's get our dough out. And we're gonna roll, roll, roll the dough, roll, roll, roll the dough, roll, roll, roll the dough, my darling. Ooh, what do we put on top of our dough? Do you know? Sauce? Can we make some sauce? All right, so make a bit, you can put one down, make a big, like you're making a big circle, you've got your holding your pot, and we're gonna stir some sauce. Ready? Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir the sauce, my darling. Take a taste. Not ready yet. We need to stir in the other direction. Can you go the opposite direction? Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir, stir, stir the sauce. Stir the sauce, my darling. Oh, I think it's perfect. Shall we taste it? It's perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna spread some sauce on our rolled out dough. We've got our dough, remember? All right, put one down and we're going to move it around with our other one. We're going to spread, spread, spread the sauce. Spread, spread, spread the sauce. Spread, spread, spread the sauce. Spread the sauce, my darling. What's next after that? Did you say cheese goes on there? You're right. You are so right. It is cheese. So can we grate the cheese? Ready? Grate, 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 grate. Oh, perfect. Do you see all that cheese on our pizza? Ooh, what do we need next? What kind of toppings do we need? Did you just say pepperoni? Yes. Can we chop them up? Chop, 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 chop. Ooh, now, if you have any other toppings, you can add them now. Let's chop them up now. Chop, 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 chop. Ooh, now what do we need to do? Did you say cook it? Yeah. Shall we put it in the oven? Ready? Pick it up. Put it in the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Put it in the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Put it in the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Put it in the oven, my darling. Ooh. Now we need to set a timer. Can you set a timer? Ding. Yeah, let's wait. Oh, I'm starting to smell it. Can you smell it? Everybody take a big deep breath in. Oh, I smell my pizza. Oh, and my pizza smells so good. Does your pizza smell good? It does? I think it's time to take it out of the oven, shall we? Ding! Here we go. Out of the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Out of the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Out of the oven. Wait, wait, wait. Out of the oven, my darling. Now we've got a big round pizza in front of us. What do we need to do? Can we just eat it like this? No, we need to cut it. Shall we cut up the pizza? All right, let's cut it up. Cut up the pizza, cut, cut, cut. Cut up the pizza, cut, cut, cut. Cut up the pizza, cut, cut, cut. Cut up the pizza, my darling. Oh, now it's ready for our slice of pizza. Can you take your big slice of pizza, if you have your 2 sticks, make them into like a V, all right? And you can turn it towards yourself so it looks like a piece of pizza coming at you. Ready? On the count of 3, let's try our pizza. 1, 2, 3. Delicious. great pizza maker. All right, boys and girls. Now, let's go ahead and think of one more song that we can do all about food. Can you think about that one more song that has food in it that we could do movements to? The banana dance? We haven't done it in a few weeks. So, all right, here we go, boys and girls. Bananas unite. Banana split. Peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana. Go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas. Bananas unite. Banana split. Peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, peel. Banana, peel, peel, banana, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas, go. Bananas, go, go, bananas. All right, bananas, it is time to say goodbye to our friends. Okay, so I'm going to need everybody get ready with your waving hands. You ready? Okay, here we go. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile, give a hug, my ladybugs, blow a kiss, mwah, my jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, and wave goodbye, my butterflies. Thank you so much for joining me for another preschool story time, and I'll see you next week for another fun story. And until then, as always, remember the library is open. We do miss you, so we really hope that you kind of stop in and see us. And as always, happy reading. Bye.